I walk past, I wasn't meant to see. Wore my shame like it knew my name. I trusted love that couldn't stay. Watch my hope slowly drift away. There were nights I whispered prayers with tired lungs and honest tears. I had nothing left to defend or hide, just a fragile heart laid open wide. When I reached the end of who I was, grace was already calling my name. He gave me life when I was undone. He reached for me when I couldn't run. Not because I earned it, not because I tried, but because His mercy would not pass me by. He gave me life in my deepest fear when the world was loud. He was near. I am not who I used to be. I am held by grace. I am finally free. I carried weight I couldn't see, tried to fix what was breaking me. I fought the truth with all my might, still lost the war every night. In the middle of all my mess, He didn't speak with judgment, no list of wrongs, no pointed blame, just faithful love that knew my name. When I laid down my fear and pride, His mercy met me on that side. He gave me life when I was undone. He reached for me when I couldn't run. Not because I earned it, not because I tried, but because His mercy would not pass me by. He gave me life in my deepest fear when the world was loud. He was near. I am not who I used to be. I am held by grace. I am finally free. Lord, I remember now. There were seasons I mistook for loss, when silence felt like distance. I watched the days move on so fast while I stood still. In the past, I questioned timing, I questioned you, wondered if you still came through. But looking back through softened eyes, I see your hand in every night. Even when I couldn't feel your hand, you were holding me where I stand. He gave me life in quiet ways, in unseen moments and hidden grace. When I thought I was standing alone, you were closer than I'd known. He gave me life, not just from pain, but from the light. I was forgotten, even in the dark. I was still yours, still chosen, still loved. I don't measure life by perfect days or by the absence of all my pain. I measure life by mercy found, by every time you pulled me out. I may still fall, I may still fail, but grace speaks louder than the tale. I'm not standing because I'm strong, I'm standing here cause you held on. If I'm still breathing after all I've known, that breath itself is grace alone. He gave me life, He gave me life. And I will say it wasn't sudden, it wasn't brave, it was love that stayed with me when I had no strength to believe. He gave me life again and again through every loss.